When adjusted for body size, Jaguar's bite force is the strongest among big cats. Jaguars can exert a greater pressure per unit area compared to tigers. This most powerful bite can crush and destroy even bones. Jaguars originated 3 million years ago in Eurasia, and they spread. They are old cats. Now they inhabit from Arizona to Argentina. They are an evolutionary key to the Pleistocene. While the American lion and saber-toothed predator disappeared, the jaguar's behavior of almost never hunting primates may be a strategic variant for their survival. Species rely on genetic diversity to survive and adapt, so restoring the jaguar corridor from South USA to South America, the Mayan forest, and Tamaulipas may be the key to saving American ecosystems. Scientific studies point out that by preying on a variety of species, jaguars help to maintain high levels of biodiversity and keep balance between different trophic levels, preventing overgrazing and supporting vegetation growth, the long-term thrive of biodiversity in the Americas. Corridors enable gene flow between isolated populations, reducing substantially the risks of inbreeding depression and jaguar population collapse. Monarch butterflies are capable of pollinating various plant species by transporting pollen grains as they forage for nectar. Their long proboscis allows them to access nectar in flowers with deep corollas, making them effective pollinators for certain plant species. Monarch butterflies, with their long travels, promote biodiversity from flower to flower and facilitate cross-pollination. They connect faraway pollen-saving strategic plant species. Jaguar, dark secret for evolutionary biology, and the key to save America's ecosystems, presented by www.quantumcompass.xyz. Please like and subscribe.